Superheroes are all over the big screen, but very rarely do we see any real ones. But in Milton, West Virginia, two men dressed as Batman and Captain America were real-life superheroes for one lucky cat. John Buckland, playing Bruce Wayne, is in charge of an organization called Heroes for Hire. Participants dress as superheroes and teach lessons to children. And while working at an event across the street, Buckland, an ex-firefighter, smelled smoke, and then
So he breaks out that window, some of the smoke relieves, smoke layer goes up a little bit more, go back in, it's getting pretty dark. I'm feeling around, and I'll be darned if I feel something furry.
After Captain America broke the window, Batman pulled this cat out of the burning house and gave it mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. And while that's heroic, Batman says he's a little worried the cat could have some nightmares coming its way.
You got resuscitated by Batman. That's a pretty scary thing to wake up to.
Buckland told reporters that while the costume made this whole situation that much better for the rest of us, it also helped protect him from the flames when he entered the building. Luckily, the family who lives at the house in Milton was out of town during the fire. For Newsy, I'm Jamal Andrus.